Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an easy $50 per day between two websites working right from home on the internet. Alright, let's get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make up to about $50 per day between two websites working right from the comfort of your own home. Alrighty guys, well, if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before to my channel and my videos and you still haven't subscribed to the channel yet, well, don't wait any longer. Just go ahead and reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos to the channel. Alrighty, and with all that to do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started right in on this video here today. Kind of anxious to show this to you. And we're going to come over here to our Opera browser, and we're going to come over here. Our first site that we're going to come to here is called Bendale Research. See this right here? It's up here in the address bar, BendaleResearch.com. It says here to get paid to take surveys online. Bendale is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. And it's free to get started. And they've got a little video here that you can watch about it as well. And it talks a little bit about it down here. One of the nice things that you're going to like about this is, if you see right here, they pay to PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account. And you get paid in cash and not points via PayPal. See that right there? So we don't have to worry about any points or getting converted to points over into cash or anything. It's just straight cash all the way to your PayPal account. Okay, and it says here the easy online survey, hundreds of paid surveys added daily. You can see here they've paid out almost $8 million. I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit for you. Almost $8 million already paid out to members. And then it works on any device. You can take surveys at home or on the go if you're using a cell phone or a tablet or something like that. And how it works is take paid surveys, share demographic information about yourself, and Bendale Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you when new surveys come in that qualify for. Getting paid for your opinion couldn't be easier. It says the highest paying surveys in the industry, and access to hundreds of daily paid surveys. Complete surveys on any device. And you can see here that some of these surveys up around $14 to $15 and so on and so forth. I'll show you some examples of those here in just a moment. You can redeem your earnings by PayPal. When choosing your reward, select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like. It's that easy. All surveys are worth real cash, not points. Simple, user-friendly payment center and quick payment turnaround. And then like I said, they paid out over almost $8 million to survey takers to date here. And you can see that what some of the categories that surveys are about, like cars and trucks, politics, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvement, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and travel and leisure. So pretty much covers a lot of categories there of interests. So whatever you have an interest in, you can choose to take surveys in all those interests there. And talk about the reasons to join is cash payments, full service support team, and take your surveys on any device. Getting paid is simple. Request payment quickly and easily. Bendale offers quick PayPal payments and no payment processing fees. And they have other ways to earn here. I mean, you can take surveys, of course. You can do paid studies. You have a referral program, so there you go. They have an affiliate program that you can use right there and get referrals, people to under you and make a certain amount per what they do. And then you can make money through photos. If you have your photos, upload them and make money from downloads probably on your photos here. And they have also reward codes, Bendale videos. You can get paid just to watch videos and even open up and read emails. How about that? Okay, lots of ways. It says here's somebody's testimony about it, and then you see some of the other people here, reviews, and so on and so forth. And okay, so we come down to the top, and I want to show you some of the survey examples that they have here. Which, by the way, guys, it's free to sign up. Just click the sign up button right up here to the right, and it's free to sign up. And I do believe that it can be done anywhere in the world. I haven't seen anywhere on this site to tell me that it can't be done anywhere in the world. So pretty much sure that it can be. All right, now survey examples here. As you can see, here's some example surveys. Here's one for $10. Take you about 35 minutes, it says right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here for you. And then here's one for $1. Takes about 10 minutes. And then $3.50, about 17 minutes on that one. And then some of the other ones down here. Here's one for almost $15. It'll take about an hour to complete it. And for $1, 13 minutes. $1.50, 17 minutes. And you can see one here for $11 that only takes 6 minutes to do this one here. And then $5.50, 20 minutes to do it, and 9 minutes on a 75-cent survey here. So those are some survey examples that you can get involved with. And then of course they have reviews and of other people and that have done this, and so on and so forth, and happy about the money that they're making. All right, so that's the first site that you can come here. You can make, as you can see from these survey examples here, you should probably be able to make up about $50 just on this one website alone. But there is another website I want to show you here. Is number 2 website here is the betatesting.com. You see it here in the address bar. betatesting.com. Come over here to beta testing, and what this company does here is companies will come here and test they run testing solutions on beta testing, usability testing, quality assurance, and bug testing, and data and algorithms. And then some of the different platforms that they test on, which are the same platforms we're all used to: iOS applications, Android applications, websites, Mac and Windows PC applications, and then other connected products such as peripherals like printers and so on and so forth, and prototypes and mock-ups. So some companies can come here. Here's some of the companies that they work with: Emberlight, Droop, Clef, Musically, the New York Times, Typeform, and Xerox, as you see here. Real world testing every device, every platform, everywhere. And it's just that they want your feedback on what you think about their apps or their products, and so on and so forth, and they're willing to pay you to do that. Now, so what you want to do here is you want to come here, and then up here at the right, you want to click on, let's see if I can get it over here where you can see it. You want to click on where it says join as a beta tester right here. And when you click on that, it brings us over here, and you see here early adopters join the beta tester community. Test exciting new products and get paid to give your feedback for new apps, websites, and products. And it's just a simple email address. And I would recommend that you probably do a PayPal email address here. Now, yeah, it says right here, it says payments are made via PayPal 7 days after the project ends. So make sure that you use your PayPal email address when you sign up here on this site, just to keep everything congruent across the board for them, so they don't have to ask you for your PayPal email address. Okay, if you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy enough to go get one. Go to paypal.com, click on sign up for free, and create a free PayPal account. And then you'll the email address that you use to do that with, you want to make sure you use it on this site right here as well. It's same as on the other one over here, since they also pay by PayPal. You want to sign up using your PayPal over here at Bendale Research as well. Alright, so you sign up with your email address. And then you come on, it gives a little how it works here. Join 200,000 early adopters across all demographic and interest groups. And then it says test new apps and websites and hardware. Complete the task, give feedback and bug reports, and then get paid. And it says here you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 for most tests and even more. Okay? So even on this website here, you should be able to make about possibly $50 per day here. So if you did $50 on Bendale and you did it here, that's $100 just in one day there alone. So that's some pretty good extra pocket change for you right there. Okay, and you see some of the other companies that they work for here. And you got the things that they require is you got to be at least 18 years old, and you must be able to speak and write fluently in English. And then you must own a PC or a Mac or any devices required for the test, such as Android or iOS, iPhone, Android cell phones or tablets or whatnot, so on and so forth. And then it talks about beta testing is a fun way to make a few extra dollars on the side and help impact product development for exciting new products. And so yeah, you can come here, join this site as a beta tester, join up with Bendale Research, and do all of their different types of testing, even watch videos and read emails, and there's lots of ways to make money on here. I would say it's easy that you can make $50 per day between these two websites. And guys, that's what I had to show you today. I wanted to show you these two sites that you can make some pretty easy money right from home. Well, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down there if you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. And also, you want to see my #1 recommended business there, where you can make anywhere from $300 to $4,000 in just one day. Click the link down there in the top of the description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come on over, sign up to my email list, and check out that business at the bottom of my funnel, the back of my funnel, and see my #1 recommended business there, as well as get your free training video that'll show you how to make up to $1,000 in 1 month just for signing up. Okay? Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video here. Take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.